Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials. Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and this is the last video of this course, and I would like to congratulate for completing this Linux Parrot Security OS Essentials course, from understanding Linux fundamentals to working confidently with the Parrot operating system. You have learned how to navigate the system, manage users, control permissions, monitor hardware, and handle networking like professional. You are no longer a beginner. You now have the foundation needed for real-world IT and cybersecurity environments. But this is just the beginning. Next, you can move into advanced topics like ethical hacking, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment. If you found this course valuable, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on cybersecurity training. And let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep hacking ethically. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you in the next course. Thank you for watching.